Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh video. Guys, let's meet my friend Mr. Xiao. He is my good friend. 今天怎么样？
今天很好，今天的天气很好。
天气 mean weather. So he's my good friend. He's a great videographer and photographer. He works on TikTok, guys. So TikTok means in English word TikTok. He's a great guy. So today I'm here with him. We will shoot some videos here and we will show you how this area is looking like, and after that you will see the great cinematic shots here. So stay with me guys, enjoy this beautiful vlog here from Binjiang, Gongyeon. So Mr. Xiao, you are ready?
Hello.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is, don't let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
So me and Mr. Xiao are here. 现在我们去那边是什么东西呢？
那个是长沙臭豆腐。
Street food. Follow me.
Street food.
Street food. Yeah, I wanna teach him some English. Yeah. So there are some street foods. We're gonna find some street foods because I'm a little bit hungry and I love the street foods here at this city. So look at that, guys. So we just ordered some chicken with eggs. It's like maybe for at least $4 around maybe 300-400 Pakistan rupees. But this street food is absolutely tasty. Oh my god, it's so tasty. Guys, you don't know the value of the street food in China. It's brilliant. It's very tasty. 怎么样？怎么样？
味道不错，好吃点比。
好吃一点。
你们那里？
Weather is a little bit colder. Maybe it's like 8 degrees Celsius, but we just came to the walking street. My friend Mr. Xiao is with me and we're gonna have some more fun here at Suning Plaza, and a lot of crowds are here. You can see a lot of bicycles. Weather is kind of great. Oh guys, good evening. We are here at the shopping plaza. In this shopping plaza on the 10th floor is my my gym. So I'm going to check is my gym open or not. So stay with me. The gym is already open because I didn't know. I got the notification but I didn't know that. So maybe tomorrow I will come to gym and I will see, but gym is already open. It's a great sign. We just finished each and everything, and thank you Mr. Xiao for helping me today. So guys, China is considering the most safe country in the world right now because of this problem. So we are really in safe country. Stay safe in your country and do good work for your country, guys.